In this video, we're going to be talking about how to change your Instagram age if you're locked out of your account. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? So first things first, to change your Instagram age when locked out, you must verify your identity by submitting a video selfie or a government-issued via the on-screen request review prompts. If your account is disabled for being under 13, you have limited time to appeal before it is permanently closed. So when simply opening the account or trying to log in, just following the confirm your age or request review instruction button will go ahead and help you. So prepare a clear photo of your ID, driver's license, birth certificate, or passport that shows your date of birth. Instagram may require a video selfie holding your ID or verifying your identity to prove you are the real account owner. Then the review process can take anywhere from a few hours to 3 to 5 days. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.